In today's fast-paced world, the value of a good night's sleep is often underestimated. Yet, quality sleep is essential for physical health, mental clarity, and overall well-being. Beyond just feeling refreshed, there are numerous benefits to getting a full night of restful sleep. Let's delve into the many reasons why a good night's sleep is so important. 1. Improves mental health and mood. One of the most immediate benefits of a good night's sleep is its impact on mental health and mood. Adequate rest helps stabilize emotions, reduces stress, and lowers anxiety levels. When you're well rested, you're better equipped to handle daily challenges without becoming overwhelmed. Lack of sleep, on the other hand, can lead to irritability, mood swings, and even more severe mental health issues over time. 2. Enhances cognitive function and memory. A well-rested brain is a sharper brain. Sleep is essential for processing information, solving problems, and retaining new memories. During sleep, the brain organizes and consolidates information learned throughout the day, making it easier to recall facts and skills later. Studies have shown that people who sleep well perform better on memory and learning tasks compared to those who don't get enough rest. 3. Boosts physical health. Quality sleep plays a crucial role in physical health. It helps to repair muscle tissue, regulate hormones, and boost immunity. During sleep, the body goes into a repair mode, mending cells and tissues that were damaged throughout the day. This is especially important for athletes or anyone who exercises regularly, as recovery time is vital for muscle growth and strength. 4. Strengthens the immune system. A strong immune system is essential to ward off illness and infection, and sleep is one of the best natural immunity boosters. When we sleep, the body produces cytokines, proteins that help fight off infections and inflammation. Lack of sleep can compromise the immune system, making us more susceptible to colds, flu, and other infections. 5. Supports heart health. Getting enough rest is also beneficial for heart health. Quality sleep helps regulate blood pressure and reduces the risk of heart-related issues. When you're in a deep sleep state, your heart rate and blood pressure naturally decrease, giving your cardiovascular system a chance to rest and recover. Consistently skimping on sleep, however, can lead to higher blood pressure, inflammation, and a greater risk of heart disease over time. 6. Aids in weight management. Believe it or not, sleep can play a role in maintaining a healthy weight. Poor sleep affects the hormones responsible for appetite regulation, such as leptin and ghrelin. When sleep-deprived, you're more likely to crave high-calorie, sugary foods, and your body has a harder time recognizing when it's full. Over time, poor sleep habits can contribute to weight gain and obesity. 7. Promotes longevity and quality of life. Studies have shown that people who consistently get enough quality sleep tend to live longer and have a better quality of life. Sleep supports cellular health, mental clarity, and emotional stability, all of which are essential for a fulfilling life. By investing in sleep, you're investing in a longer, healthier life. 8. Enhances creativity and problem-solving skills. Sleep is essential for creative thinking and problem-solving. The brain processes information from the day and connects disparate thoughts, leading to new insights and solutions. In the REM stage of sleep, where dreaming occurs, the brain often links ideas in unique ways, which can enhance creativity and lead to aha moments. How to improve your sleep quality. Achieving a good night's sleep is not always easy, especially with the demands of modern life. Here are some tips to improve your sleep quality. Stick to a schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Engage in calming activities like reading or meditation before bed. Limit screen time. Avoid screens an hour before bedtime, as the blue light from screens can disrupt your sleep cycle. Limit caffeine and alcohol. Both can interfere with sleep, so try to avoid them in the hours leading up to bedtime. Keep your bedroom cool and dark. A comfortable sleep environment can make a big difference. In conclusion, a good night's sleep is more than just a luxury. It's a necessity. From improved mental health to better physical health, the benefits of restful sleep are vast and significant. By prioritizing sleep, you're taking a crucial step toward a healthier, happier, and more productive life. So tonight, instead of scrolling on your phone, give yourself the gift of quality sleep. Your mind and body will thank you.